You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws.
What's going on, guys? Fresh Meter here with another one. So I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys asking me about the whole exhaust system, about how it, like, what's the sound inside of the car, more updates on how it sounds outside, like what's going on with the exhaust, if I like it, if I don't like it. So in today's video, that's exactly what I'm gonna cover. I'm going to be giving you guys a little POV shots of what it is to drive my 2018 Honda Accord 1.5 turbo 6-speed manual transmission with a resonator and muffler delete. So here we go. I don't know if you guys capture the exhaust sound inside, like the droning and not, but it's not that bad. I mean, there is times when it actually gets louder in here. I don't know, for some reason today is actually nice and quiet. Like, I like how it sounds right now, but there is days that it's like really bad in here. But right now I'm on my way to go to the gas station. Gotta put some gas. I don't know why my car is always on empty. Barely drive the car, but that's what it sounds with the windows closed. I'm gonna open up the window so you guys can hear the exhaust from the outside. It's the first time I'm ever doing this, so bear with me. I don't know if you guys heard it, but I love how it sounds some days. Some days I hate it, because some days I want to be quiet, especially in the morning time when I'm leaving to work. When I do drive the car, like, it's so loud in the morning that I feel like I wake up everybody. But days like today, when it's nice outside, it's like I want to be chilling, I want people to hear it, like, it sounds lovely. Then after that, it's like, okay, can I quiet it down or something? But nah. But the main question you guys been asking is, should you guys buy, cut springs, should you guys do the resonator and muffler delete on your time gen? I say, if you like the loud noises, go for it. Why not? To me, it's good. Some days I wish I could go back to stock, but then what's the whole point of that? Let's say, if you guys like the exhaust sound, go for it. Get pops. Woo. No tune, anything yet. Just the resonator and muffler delete, stock, and you get the pops. Can you fill it up with 93, please? So today we got a few errands to run before I go to the garage and start working on some boxes and stuff that I got for some customers. And then after that, we're gonna start working on my car, on the trunk. Trying to get some stuff done on the trunk today. But you guys are coming with me today. I'm taking you guys along. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the drone inside of the car or not, but I hope you can. Copper's gonna think that I backed up because he's there. I actually gotta drop off some mailbox.
Y las babas son mío, mío.
Las babas son de jaraca. Las babas son de jaraca.
All right. Oh, I forgot to mention to you guys, I don't know if I ever told you, but I put an intake in this car. It's an AEM short ram intake. And it actually gives me the whole blow-up valve sounds even louder now. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm gonna try to get you guys a little clip. Probably didn't hear that because all the wind is it's windy as F outside. But
Y al que se cruce se va a morir. Y el que se tira se va a morir. Y el que traicione a que también se va a morir. Y el que se doble a que también se va a morir.
the roads out here in Jersey, bro, oh, the worst. Especially when you're on bags. This thing is dope. Look at this. Can you guys see this? All these taxes we paying, and they cannot get these damn roads fixed. What are y'all doing with your lives? Look at this. Oh my goodness. The worst. Get you guys some a little quick more some sound clips and some pops. little bit more droning inside. And that's it. Alright, so there you have it, guys. I don't know if that's gonna answer you guys' questions or not, but let me know what you guys think about the droning. If it sounds good, let me know about the exhaust, the pops, and if you guys actually was able to hear the blow-off valve go off for new intake. But anywho, thank you guys for all the support you guys been giving me. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Never thought I would actually have some like people watching my videos, but like I promised you guys before, I'm gonna keep my word this time around. We're gonna have a lot more mods coming into the car. I'm gonna give you guys an update of what I've been doing to the car, what's been going on with the car, what's been happening to the car, because a lot of stuff been happening. But I'm gonna give you that will be on the next video. So right now, all I have going on is my trunk. Like I posted up earlier, I'll give you guys a little update of what's been going on, but as of right now, it's the trunk. We'll worry about the exterior later on. I'll give you guys an update of what's coming and what I'm gonna do to it. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.